area closer to other boats, then that safe speed decreases, of course. So what's going on, guys? Captain Harley here from How To Boating. Now we are going to go over rule number 6 in our navigation rules and regulations handbook. So that is just basically going over safe speed. Now this just says always stay at a safe enough speed to avoid the risk of collision. So if you have no one in the area, then it will probably be okay to go, fairly fast because you're able to maneuver when you see something off in the distance. Now, if you are in an area closer to other boats, then that safe speed decreases, of course. So you're going to have to go at a slower speed to avoid collision, to avoid the risk of collision. Now, if there's a lot of fog, if there's a lot of rain, of course you would probably want to slow that down even more. So number 6 just states that always stay at a safe speed in order to avoid a risk of collision or to make an adjustment to avoid a collision.